This youngster, half the size of an adult, is extremely vulnerable. The killer whales take turns to ram into its sides, cracking its ribs so that it struggles to breathe. Then they push the youngster down until, finally, it drowns. The battle is over. It lasted an hour. Yet now the killer whales eat only one part of their prey, the young bowhead's soft, fatty tongue. Today, more and more bowheads are falling prey to killer whales, as the warming climate causes the protected barrier of sea ice to melt earlier each year.